as you can see, my engine light's on, the car's running rough, or the van. It just ain't firing properly, and it's smoking with loads of white smoke. So anyway, I've had a code reader on it. I've had a reader on it and it says it's the crankshaft position sensor. So I'm going to replace that today. Okay, so that's your crankshaft position sensor there. Now you've got two wires at the back. The green on the right. As you can see, the green on the right and the brown on the left. Now you test between them two and you should see a voltage. I didn't see a voltage. So to confirm the wiring, on the green wire, if you touch that for positive on your battery with a test light and keep touching it, you can see the rev counter moving. So I was pretty happy then. I know the wiring's, well, at least the green wire's okay. So I'm happy to change this sensor now. It's just a 10mm bolt there. So we're going to do that now. I'd already undone the electrical connection. It's pretty easy, you just lift up the tab and pull it backwards. There's the screw. And the unit should just pull out. Yeah, a little bit tight, but that's it. Brand new. Don't know what make. FAE. Alright, let's see if it works. So there you go. That's the hole where it goes in. So I was going to put the bolt in there. So, just going to nip it up. I'm going to put the connector back in. There you go. So let's try and start it. Oh, I forgot to say, the rev needle never worked either. That was a clue that told me that it was the crankshaft position sensor. So now you see, engine light's gone. I didn't even have to clear the fault. Rev counter's working beautiful and running nice. Well, it sounds nice. As you 3 sounds a lot better. And no smoke.